what the plan is, and we are telling them, all the people there, they are making the police officers there, they are making their police career, the military officers, they are making their career in the military, that respected state security agency, coterminous with that of President Akufo-Addo. The day President Akufo-Addo will exit office will be the last day they will serve as policemen and military men, and we will deal with them mercilessly. That is the message we are sending across to them.
And then I'm here in Team Ford. Now come military soldiers for soldiers in paying for about 15 of them or my force to by force retirement. We are my sending video now.
Okay.
Say or more higher rank or near copy junior rank. So already almost on dino. That means that they are all supposed to go on retirement by force. These are the kind of people I have to about mom. And you know, say these are people who have been trained now. All the necessary I could do that level. And they say, or Chinabi say, Nyami and Patanas or more come who not so bending. Because a wrong treatment, they are mom. And they say, or more the country at heart. Nasa or more family, so Muslim, Nasa, they want to fight back. They never see Ghana. Oh, these are the things that you can't Ghana font. And this is for ni or money democratic group. Yeah, just say or more the Bugana ina yadi 8 years, maybe na or more 4 years. Now this time round, and on bet you be a son of kind because Yan Tanasem Yehan more or moon to DSM. Oh, Ghana, yeah, the name will be. Oh, under this government. Yeah, how even or more MPs now, my electoral mona, they say you more ministerial appointments. Look at the utterances they made about the president, former president, which was very bad. Obianyu Obiashe. That's Ghana, not Akrabia Pijana, no dear Kufuado at them. Akrabia Biana, no dear Kufuado at them. Or more on this platform, they won this election through insult. But Antali could not platform so was Nyai Kase Alaji Mahmoud Baumiari Prako, which said, Ye say I against his religious faith and belief. Obianyu Obiashe. Yet Ghana na Yohana Kevin Taylor to USA and ODD Obiatem or can from ODD attempt from left to right Obia Beban way be if people are serving you with your own medicine, the medicine you provided, they are giving it back to you, and you feel like it is still bad, say why do you give that medicine to people? So if you say attack, na say say obi abe e kan wasama, I didn't hear so kan obi asem. Kevin tell about Ghana, na say na work and man security move around free obi anya nhwe wasanko. Na obi ot Ghana, okatache hwe ni o share ni program ya ase, me hwe bi da. But I ma follow the countless times I almost support the program no. To the extent of more hacking account. Yeah, you just came. You are barely like 5 months in power, barely like 4 months, and I say 5 months in power. And I was saying Jimmy, and I say national security on be invite you be a so obo akra be invite you. Now nyomo yen won one way. This route now you take near one way. Yen san yechi. There power will change hands. Send here or multi opposition or more Casa Baby no. There power best India's son. You be who send a BCIN. But this is a caution to all MPP members, all our executives. Say, a could do or nothing. Yeah, for so not a part in power beam. Namosambe yen ya mo ye no na madam funo MPP ni chare ya boom yem papa. You will never be lean with you. Yeah, in transit and yet, Mamo, Monyani, Ina, Moyen, Biona, MPP, or another appointment that come and this in no mood, Quasemna, Omunya scan almost SRTI. On hell, Omunya power within some few seconds. Nay, declare man for wanted. Abra Obi send them or send them no declare will be wanted. Without passing through any legal means. Just on or 2 minutes no were declared wanted. Side bullshit. On just democracy, your democracy. And so Charlie say a Chinese say military rule because ultimate Bowa or Ghana. Onye and I invite you. I brought me 5 minutes in Sonia Massa. Me 5 minutes in Sonia. Check what time.
1 minute.
No 3 minutes. I brought you for radio so. Oh boy, na ya invite no. Dey na ekoso. Say o criticize abana na ya invite o. Bowa na ya invite o. Chere ene say on bet Ghana for nyina tum. Ba we no serve Ghana for nyina ye nyina ya kan. Say nkofo no mo ba power no mo ne nyansasem bi on be ya ma Ghana for.
Mama info ba bia mi nua yi si mi chia wo mo a platforms nyina. Mama info ba bia mi nua yi si ya. Me kai se campaign nim no. Sami Jafi e ka kire wo mo soldiers ni police forces NDC ba power won versa ki wo mo apa so e na happy no because e be wa say senior rankers no order wo fa junior e so wo sako wo mo nyina e ya na wo mo ye no chese wuti mu say asama Sami Jafi ka ye no a na e de bem na e ye me de e fa ba bia me de pa because ye dan pa ye fa je no say wo mo asake no kwa mo fanya because wo bia ye beto aba wuni ni sade Ghana ye to aba esitie then more MPC NDC nya ye na be do ho a wo bu declare force wa chese wo ya ho hwe a ejeyi because that time yes we can dey na we ka ba accept defeat no enti there is for mo fa sa kwade esi wo boase soja ni pa ni ayere no wam asa soja fo mu nyina so na mo ko bi ti say yeah, so now you have 2 about Obi opposition 8 years. I can't the 4 years you open be a current teaching or power. It's yes or can be na government in power. Not accepting and this is what you says here look at ya as you said bra we are bound. Say you could be no water chiman 8 years soldier phobia war police stay Tanya de na wa something say ane say the enti na say we say you know eni pa no ya to be mu a wo ballot box no e de enye no na ye no ma nyina hwie gu yi na ma okatachi adi so NDC we be do ma ama na say lu katwa na so mu hwe wonu chairman no free chairman so first say lu katwa so e ba Sami Jafi so sa akwa kugu adimo e be si form say twan so dem pofo ya sie di atem 8 years na aglo akwa bi a wote da bre Mugabe Mase e na akwa ya na fuka kraka ayi ne sabio ne senti etia ne ade a wo se frɛ no so ese wo free so be kwa ya sahe akwa se de sie di na agbo atem nya aglo why is that from us? Said we woman and a gay you all. Yeah, Captain Smart and a gay. Why to fool? Said woman see a dinner now what a pa. And I saw it on better the public room. The Attica Coronia. And I said, you know, one more back to the public because that means you said, more fuck at the bar, not to walk, one group every crowd. Na there be yet amanfo a there yi enti ni kwa se de obi abeka bia no ye democracy no sa na ye ebe boa ye wo wudi pa be se 3 months ni na e di asem e ba de say enti mo bi ankasa e wo do ma ma kwa wudi atem obi a wuja platform so to ka se wo bi to kankan ma me ba mo kwa se be se ne to bon. Now they know what be church and you want yes, I have a family. So I remember Nessie, and read the free channel, said the MPP for Robert, when I just said the Binuakai, when I just said CEOs, I don't know the idea, every man, 1 more appointment in the time one year, your boy, year campaign, giddy, who CEOs, who and you went there said yes. MPP ye ni we ya ye ba be yi wo mo we mu the free chairman ayesu one wo mu nyina ko si na bi su nyina wo mu pebe bi fa ni e fa ni wa wo ni e din e be ti ma face because the NDC for astati say ya fa wo ni e din e be ti ma face wo mo ba dia and 2028 no you forget it because say pa wo mo ba dia e je e we e se kira no a me the MPs ni nyina kira mo ko parliament wo mo ko ba bi akatachi wo no no mo ko face no national state wo no because kwase asem no wo di now massive Mugabe massive said yes here dear tam na kwase ye wo what America yi kwase ye what America say ye ba to na what me person me body di bra what ma Ghana abenanti Ghana ne ya money street amano obane bo ama e de ka amano wo yuso na Ghana eti to me ebere ye ni kaso ya na ye be ya said the MPP ye jenja ye ho pa ti mama ye professor ye koto aba ye ti ni lusu ya ma re di gina be kan ye gina ese wo to so obi abodo se a na so aseja ewu de wo unu a me da se be brenti